exciting.
Alright.
He is so cute.
And you hit crap out of that one.
No, he didn't.
Yes, I saw.
No, look, he's actually like throwing it.
Look.
Okay, just watch for a second, okay? Alright.
Wait a minute, I got some of my glasses.
Mark,
It's just
watch.
blurry.
He actually tosses it. Look at that.
That's all.
It really is.
I've never seen this bunny move.
That is so cute. Look at him.
I think it's more.
He's like, you all are playing. I'm gonna play too. Are you done? Keep going.
Yeah,
buddy.
but it was
You can
big.
do it.
Oh.
Gonna put it on the level.
Focus.
That's in the game now. She wants to win it.
Oh, in the water
She's
dish.
already won.
Know what?
It's not the water dish, it's the
Oh,
food
it's
dish.
not?
6 is done.
It's the food
Everything
bowl.
else, they want
Huh.
over by.
Is that pellet?
You can take it out though.
No.
Flip it, buddy.
So yeah.
Get it
No,
out.
wait, I'm waiting for him to flip the bowl.
He's trying to figure it out. What do I do? What do I do?
Why don't they just grab it?
What am I gonna do with it?
It's like, how do I
I
get
don't
that
think
out?
it's big enough, the holes.
How do I get it out?
He's like, wait, I've never seen one play with a ball like that.
Does he?
Never watched this. We're not gonna play this with our comments on it, man. Oh, he's done. Darn.
He's like, I'm shooting you, but.
I'm gonna take it out, but
Okay.
you have to edit me out of it, okay? I don't want to put butt on there.
No, it's only your feet.
Use heel.
He is so funny.
And there's
Oh,
more.
hey.
So
And
there.
there's more brownies
He's
too.
throwing the water ball now, watch.
Oh, in the water bowl. He's a little basketball player.
Aha. Soccer.
Why do you load this game?
Oh, look at him.
I don't know, I can't stand it. Anytime I quit, I
Extraordinarily
can't
slow
stand it.
moving.
He's so gonna put
It's
this
on
on YouTube.
YouTube, eh?
Oh yeah.
That
Well, the
is
first
so
two times I played with 3G.
I have one of